Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 8, part 2 of our spoken English course level 1. In previous class, we learned how to describe people in simple sentences. Today we will learn something very interesting and useful, that is how to describe people in short paragraphs. Okay, we'll speak 4 to 5 connected lines like real English speakers, and today's magic formula is appearance, personality, hobbies, habit. If you use these 4 things, you can describe anyone confidently. Now let's describe a boy.
My friend Rahul is tall and thin. He has short black hair. He has bright eyes. Tall, thin, short black hair, bright eyes, all these are appearance. Next, he is very funny and friendly. He is kind and helpful. He is polite and honest. Words like funny, friendly, kind, helpful, polite, and honest describes personality. He likes playing cricket. He likes listening to music. He also likes reading books. So all this shows hobbies. Now habits. He wakes up early every day. He studies every day. He helps his friend and keeps his things neat and clean. Now listen carefully and repeat after me slowly. Repeat line by line.
My friend Rahul is tall and thin. He is very funny and friendly. He likes playing cricket and listening to music. He studies every day and helps his friends. I enjoy spending time with him. Now let's describe a girl. My friend Aisha is beautiful and smart. She is kind and honest. She likes reading books and drawing pictures. She wakes up early and studies regularly. Everyone likes her company. Very good. Now repeat with confidence.
My friend Aisha is beautiful and smart. She is kind and honest. She likes reading books and drawing pictures. She wakes up early and studies regularly. Everyone likes her very much. Very good. I hope you enjoying the lesson. Now let's talk about father. My father is hardworking and calm. He is tall and wears glasses. He likes reading newspapers and watching news. He goes to work every day and takes care of our family. I love and respect my father.
Remember this easy speaking formula. Whenever you want to describe anyone, mention their looks, nature, likes, and habit. For example, tall shows appearance, funny describes personality, and likes cricket describes hobby, and studies daily describes habit. Use these English words to sound natural and smart. Now it's your turn. Try to describe your best friend, your mother, your brother or sister. Use appearance, personality, hobbies, and habits. Try to speak at least 4 sentences. Okay? Now, there are some common mistakes which need to be fixed. Don't say he likes cricket. Say he likes cricket. Don't say she studies daily. Say this. She studies daily. Don't say he is very helping. Say this. He is very helpful. Okay?
Learners, don't try difficult English. Use simple words, speak slowly, add small details. That is how fluent speaking starts. Okay? So today you learned how to describe people in short paragraphs using appearance, personality, hobbies, habits. Practice every day and speak confidently. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.